Did the shipment arrive on time?
Yes, we are starting the wash cycle now.
A little to the left, easy now. Okay, this batch looks good, we can send it through. Bring the next crates up. This one looks good, very ripe. Nice.
Yes, but check this side here. Maybe a little soft.
We can send it to the local market.
We're moving fast today.
Yeah, let's keep this pace up before the next batch arrives.
That one is definitely oversized.
Okay, grab that one. This small one is ready for packing.
The shipment is late again today.
I know, hopefully it arrives before lunch.
Watch out for that spot right there.
Oh yeah, good catch. We'll pull this one. I'm adjusting the speed now. It should be fine, but keep an eye on the brushes.
This batch looks excellent.
Yes, the cleaning process is very thorough. This batch looks good.
Yes, very ripe. Make sure the crates are ready. Hey, check out this big one right here. We're gonna need a bigger box for that.
This one has a small blemish right here.
Yes, I see it. We should move it to the side for re-inspection.
These look particularly good today.
Yeah, the sorting machine is handling them well.
Make sure those are ripe before they go through.
Yeah, I checked the last batch. They look good.
Watch this section closely. If the sensor misses a blemish like this one, pull it before it hits the cutter.
Understood. I see what you mean.
Is the sorting machine running smoothly today?
Yes, much better than yesterday. The calibration helped.
This batch looks excellent.
Yes, very few defects today. Look at this spot here.
Okay, I see it. Removing it now.
Did you see that one go?
Yes, completely bruised on the other side.
Make sure that one goes through. Got it. They're moving fast today. Look at this one. It's almost perfect.
Yes, but the next crate needs to be moved soon.
Did you finish cleaning the sorting area yet?
Almost. Just need to rinse this section. We need another crate over here. Coming right up. The scales are running fast today. Check the quality on these. Looks good. Keep them moving.
Hey, are we still on for the game tonight?
Yeah,
Absolutely. I'll see you there after this.
These new rollers are much faster.
I know. It's hard to keep up sometimes, but the extra pay is nice.
Make sure these are clean before they go back in circulation.
Got it.
I'll send this batch back through the wash cycle. They look much cleaner now.
Yeah, the pressure jets are working well today. This batch looks really good.
It's very likely to have.
Yeah, very consistent color today.
Look at this one here.
All right, send it back. We are almost done with this batch. Keep an eye on the feed rate to the peeler.
Got it. Looks consistent so far.
Did you see the shipment that came in this morning?
The quality looks excellent.
Check this one here.
Yeah, it looks a little soft. Pull it.
The separator is running smoothly today.
Good. We need to clear this batch before lunch.
It's much cooler near the water chute.
I know, right? Almost time for our break.
Did you check the drying levels?
Yes, they are set to 6 degrees.
Mira qué grandes salieron estas. Sí, se ven muy bien. We need to ensure the airflow is consistent through the tunnel. Yes, the temperature seems stable now.
The humidity is holding steady at 75%.
Good. Let's keep an eye on the temperature near the exit. ¿Cuántas quedan por hoy? Creo que 2 paletas más.
The current batch count is showing 2,000 units. Okay, I will update the manifest accordingly.
How many trays left on this pallet?
Almost done, maybe 2 more.
This batch looks particularly good. They are perfect. How many trays left on this line? About 10 more.
Did you see the game last night?
No, I was too tired. But the highlight looked amazing. He really said that to her. Girl, yes he did. I couldn't believe it either.
This one looks good. Okay, put it in the box.
This batch is looking really good.
Go ahead.
Yeah, the color on these is perfect.
Make sure the ripe ones go first. Got it. The new shipment is coming soon.
We need 3 more for this box.
Okay, got it. These look perfect.
The sorter is running much faster today.
Yes, almost 20% more efficient.
Make sure that pallet is secure before you move it.
Yeah, I got it. Setting it down now.
Make sure that one goes to row 12.
Okay, I got it.
Temperature is stable. We are clear for processing.
Make sure the count matches the manifest before loading. Got it. I'll double check the labels now.
These look perfect for the overseas shipment.
Yeah, the sorting line is running smoothly today.
Make sure those are ripe enough for shipment C.
Got it. The next batch looks good.
These ones are looking good today.
Yes, much better than the last batch we got.
We need to speed up the stacking on line 3.
Yes, the forklift is waiting.
How many more of these do we have left? Too many. I'm ready for lunch already.
Check the quality on belt 3.
This batch looks good, very ripe.
Make sure those aren't bruised before they hit the washer.
Got it. Looks like a good batch coming through now.
Watch the clearance on the right.
Looks good. Keep coming back slowly.
Set it down now.
This one needs to shift slightly to the left.
Like this?
Perfect, that should hold for transit.
Make sure the seals are tight on this batch.
Yeah, I checked the temperature gauge, it's holding steady.
Are the seals holding correctly on the new batch?
Yes, they look good. The machine is running smoothly now. Did the new shipment arrive yet?
Yeah, they're looking good. We should hit the quota today.
Did you bring the lunch today? Yes, it's in my bag.
This shift is moving slowly. Watch the belt speed, it's uneven again.
I know, I just called maintenance about it.
We finished this one just in time.
Yeah, grab the next batch. Looks like we have a lot more coming.
Does that feel stable to you? Yes, the wrap is holding tight. We are good to go.
Did you see the schedule for next week?
Yes, looks like we have a big shipment coming in on Monday. This one seems too soft for shipping.
Yes, pull it aside before the sprayer.
Make sure those are secure before the forklift takes them. Already checked, they are good to go.
Looks like they finally cleared the back dock.
Yeah, good. We can finish up here now.
Check the quality on this batch. Looks good. Send it through to packaging. These papayas are looking good today.
Yeah. Yes, almost as good as lunch will be. This package seems fine. Look at the color. Yes, perfect. We can speed up the belt a little. Check this one. It looks bruised.
Okay, put it aside for the reject pile. This one is secure.
Okay, applying the label now. Make sure the count is correct for shipment.
We're getting a lot of good ones today.
Yeah, the sorting line is moving fast.
A little more to the right. Perfect, hold it there. We need to increase the speed on line 3.
All right, I'll adjust the settings now.
Make sure the green ones go to line 3.
Got it. How many crates left?
About 10 more.
Make sure you get under this section right here.
Oh, right here.
Yeah, I got it. We should be done soon.
Maintenance is finally getting that wrench fixed.
Good, the rattling was driving me crazy.
Check this one here. Looks good.
All right, the belt is moving. Keep an eye on the water pressure. Once the first batch is clear,
This one is too soft near the stem.
Okay, I've logged it as damaged.
the next batch is coming through the tunnel now.
Okay, let's prepare the sorting area.
Watch this one, it might be too ripe.
Okay, I got it.
This one needs to be moved to the side.
Okay, I got it.
The sorter on line 3 is rejecting too many good ones again.
I know, I just called maintenance. They should be here soon.
The calibration on the sorter seems accurate today.
Yes, the large ones are moving through smoothly. This one looks a little soft right here.
Yeah, pull that one for the puree batch.
This batch looks really good. Yeah, they're perfectly ripe today. We should hit the quota early. Look how consistent the color is on this batch. Yeah, beautiful orange. We should be ahead of schedule today.
The consistency is slightly off the target value here.
Okay, I will adjust the flow rate on the panel now.
The pulp separation looks good on line 3. Yeah, we're running smoothly today.
We're maintaining the 75 degrees. Okay, the flow looks steady through the chamber.
今天的果汁看起来很粉适，是吧？新机器运转得很好。
Watch the level on bottle 42.
Looks good from here, but I'll keep monitoring.
Looks like the new line is running smoothly today.
Finally, we hit the quota early.
The papayas coming in this week are really sweet.
They are. This is going to be a popular run. This bottle seems good. The fill level is exact.
Yeah, quality is looking solid today.
Make sure lot 32 is ready for shipment by the afternoon.
Already on it. The labeling machine is running smoothly now.
Check the alignment on the new batch. Looks steady, we're good to go.
We need another pallet ready by 3.
Got it.
That new blade is running smoothly.
It really is, much cleaner than the old one.
Did the shipment from the north arrive yet?
Yeah, they're unloading it now.
Check the uniformity on this one. Looks good. Keep the line moving.
The new drying system is working well.
Yeah, much faster throughput than the old setup. We should hit our targets today.
Did you see how red these papayas are today?
Yes, they look perfect. We should hit the quota easily.
The humidity levels are slightly high in zone 3.
Yes, I see that. Let's adjust the airflow by 5%.
This batch looks really good. Yeah. Yeah, they're perfect for the secondary drying.
Check this one. It seems too dark.
Yes, remove it from the batch.
Watch the seal on that last one. Got it, looks good.
We need another box of the large ones over here.
I finished the last crate already. I'll get some more.
Are we still on schedule for the shipment?
Yes, almost done with this pallet.
Ready for the next tray?
Almost, just a second.
Did you see the schedule for next week?
Not yet. I hope the overtime is approved.
Did you see the game last night?
Yeah, it was crazy. I can't believe they won. This batch looks really good.
Yeah, nice color on these.
This batch looks good. Make sure they are firm. Got it. We are running low on crates.
See you tomorrow. Drive safe.
Bye. Take care.